We just want to introduce HAS941 research methods. I'm Dr. Summer May Finlay.
I am Dr. Patti. We are co-coordinating the subject together this semester.
So there's a couple of things we want to share with you about this subject. Now, firstly, all of the content is on Moodle, but of course we just want to make sure we're highlighting some of the really important stuff.
So we wanted to make sure that you keep on track with all the learning modules in the weeks that are assigned to it, and make sure that you do all the activities before you come to the workshops. There'll be 5 of them throughout the course. You'll be assigned into one of the groups. Summer and I will be taking one group each, and you'll be meeting our 3 tutors, Robin, Lana and Frederick, in their groups as well.
Yeah, and so important to know that with the modules, you need to do them in a sequential order, and so you can't do the next one. You will be blocked from doing the next one until you've done the previous one. And also, just to let you know, it's really important you do the modules before you come to the workshops, so you actually won't be able to access the workshop link until you've done the modules.
So Summer and I are co-coordinating the course, so please come to either one of us if you've got any problems or questions about the course, but your tutors will also be there to help you with the specifics of the workshop, of the workshops. And in particular, we have Lana, who is a social work trained tutor to support the students from social work, and Frederick is an OH&S trained tutor. So, and we've particularly welcomed them to the course too, for those purposes.
And Robin, much like ourselves, are from the public health background. Can I also just say that in each of the assessments, there's actually forums for any assessment questions. Please actually make sure you use those forums if you have any questions, because if you have that question, someone else might too. So if you actually send us a non-personal question relating to the assessment, we're actually just going to ask you to post it in there. So please just actually post it in there. It'll help your fellow students out.
Okay, and in terms of an overview of the course, what's required and the learning objectives, I will be covering that in the first week's lecture, and that'll be pre-recorded in that first week. And in terms of the drop-in sessions, there will be one in all the weeks that we don't have workshops, and one of us will be attending that in person on Zoom. So you'll have access to us if you're able to attend them.
Yeah. Can I just reiterate, this subject, for those of you that haven't done research before, is going to be really, really new, and we highly encourage you to make sure you do all of the modules and come to the drop-in. That's how you're going to get the best results in this subject. We recognise sometimes life gets in the way, but to really do well in this subject, you need to keep up with the content. Anything else?
No, I think that's about it. So any other questions? There's lots of opportunities to ask them throughout the weeks as well as in the student forums.
Yep, read your subject outline, read Moodle, and if you still have any questions, we're happy to answer them.
Okay, look forward to seeing you in the course.
Thanks.